Hello and welcome to the new School Finder app for the Halton Catholic District School Board. In this tutorial we will learn how to use the app and view the results of your search. Note, please read the School Finder disclaimer before continuing. Thank you. Let's start by exploring the map and its functions. The app will open to the map showing you the extent of the Halton region, along with all HCDSB schools. Now, let's look at some tools on the map. In the top left corner of the map you have the zoom in and zoom out function, which will let you zoom in and out of the map by clicking either the plus or minus button. Additionally, you can use the scroll function on your mouse or trackpad if you are using a laptop. And on mobile devices you can pinch and stretch the screen. The next tool on the map is the My Location tool, located under the zoom in and zoom out. Upon clicking this button, your location will be displayed on the map. Please note that location setting must be turned on your mobile device. Next item we will look at is the panel on the right side of the map. This panel has all the tools you will use to conduct your search. Let's explore all the tools on this panel. Let's start by looking at the button below the HCDSB logo. This button will return you back to the school planning page. Next we will look at the white icons located in the blue bar at the top of the panel. Each of these icons is a tool or resource you will use in your search. First there is a search by address tool, which opens by default when the app is opened. Next there is a search by school tool. Beside that there is an information tool. Next to that is the busing eligibility tool. And finally there is a base map selector. Now let's learn how to use all the tools, search for our school and view the results. The first tool we will look at is the Search by Address tool. This tool will allow you to search what school you or your child will be attending. The search is based on 3 inputs. 1. The program you or your child is enrolled or enrolling in. 2. The school year. 3. Your address. Please note the examples of how to enter your address, both for urban and rural addresses. These examples are located above the search bar. Let's demonstrate how to conduct a search. First thing to do is set your filters. Select school year. There is only one option for this coming year, so I will choose 2022 to 2023. Then select program. I will choose regular track. And then I will click apply. After setting your filters, you can search your address. Enter your address into the text box. Your address will appear in a pre-populated list and give you suggestions. The more you type your address, the more refined the suggestions get. Click your address in the drop-down. Next, click the search button that resembles a magnifying glass to complete your search. Additionally, there are 2 other tools you can use to search addresses within the map. These tools are located beside the search button on the address search bar. The first button is the Search by Location. This tool will search the Halton region for your school based on the location of your computer or mobile phone. Please note, location settings must be enabled for this tool to work. The next button is the Select location of the address you searched. The results in the panel will display conducted. Location. This tool will allow you to drop a pin on. Additionally, there are 2 other.
No.
Additionally, there are 2 other tools you can use to search addresses within the map. These tools are located beside the search button on the address search bar. The first button is the Search by Location. This tool will search the Halton region for your school based on the location of your computer or mobile device. Please note, location settings must be enabled for this tool to work. The next button is the Select Location. This tool will allow you to drop a pin on the map. Then it will search the Halton region for your school based on the location of where you drop the pin. This is a good tool to use if you are moving into a new development and don't have an exact address yet, or if you do not know the exact address of a location. Regardless of how you conduct your search, whether it be typing the address, using your location, or dropping a pin, you will be given your primary results. It will display a grade range and a school name. From here, choose the grade that you or your child will be entering in the year chosen. For example, if my child is in grade 6, I would choose the JK to grade 8 option. And if my child is in grade 11, I would choose the grade 9 to 12 option. For this tutorial, we will assume the child is in grade 6, so I will click on the JK to grade 8 option. These are the final results of your search. This is the school you will be attending based on the criteria you entered. Now let's explore the results displayed on the map and on the panel after making your selection. The results in the map will display the school boundary on the map in red outline, along with the location of the address you searched. The results in the panel will display the information about the school, including the school name, the address of school, the phone number, the school year searched, the grades at the school, the program you selected. Notes. This section will contain any important information regarding the school boundary in relation to your address. If it says NA, there is no information to relay. A link to the school website. A link to the PDF version of the boundary map for the year you searched. And finally, whether or not the school is accepting cross-boundary students at this time. These are the final results of your search. And you now know what school you or your child will attend based on your address. To conduct a new search, click on the word Select Filters to apply. From here, set your school year, your program. Click Apply, then enter search address by typing address in. Search by location, or drop a pin. Additionally, you can refresh the app in the browser and follow the previous steps. This concludes our overview of the Search by Address tool. The next tool we will demonstrate is the Search by School tool. This tool allows you to search for a school's boundary based on 4 criteria: the program, the school name, the grade, and the school year. Let's walk through how to use this tool. First, you will select the program you are interested in. For this demonstration, we are interested in the Elementary French Immersion program. So we will click on that option. From here, we are brought to another screen. This screen, we will choose the school you are interested in, the grade of the student, and the school year. Currently only 2022 to 2023 is available. First, we will select a school. Let's choose St. Bridget. Then we will select the grade from the drop-down. Note: only grades that are available at the school will appear in the drop-down. Finally, we will choose the school year. Now click Apply. The results on the map will display the school boundary on the map in a shaded outline. The results in the panel will display the information about the school, school name, address of school, phone number, school year, grades at the school, program, notes. This section will contain any important information regarding the school boundary. If it says NA, there is no information to relay. A link to the school website. A link to the PDF version of the boundary map for 2022 to 2023. These are the final results of your search. To conduct a new search, click the New Search tab here. Then click the back arrow here, and follow the same steps as previously outlined. This concludes the demonstration on how to use the Search by School tool. The next tool on the panel we will explore is the Information tool. This tool is a resource to learn more about French programs available at the board. This is used to make an informed decision when selecting a French program for you or your child. There is a short description of each of the French programs and a link to the HCDSB website for in-depth information about the French programs. The next tool on the toolbar is the Transportation Eligibility tool. This page includes a link where you can check to see if you are eligible for transportation. This is a resource provided by Halton Student Transportation Service. Click the link and enter your information to see if you are eligible for transportation. The final tool in the School Finder app is the Base Map Selector. This tool allows you to change the base map within the map. For example, if you are looking for a new development in order to select a location on the map to find your school, and you do not have an address yet, you can change to satellite imagery to see the development. Then you can drop a pin to select the location and view your school boundary. You can change the base map to 17 different options to suit your needs. Thank you for watching. This concludes our tutorial on the new HCDSB School Finder app. If you have any questions regarding the new School Finder, please contact us at planning.services@hcdsb.org.